On the tank, previous tank, of course, yes. And this interlock, I don't know.
No, then you will your flow meter shows 0 reading.
Okay, what is flow meter tag number?
Tag number FE1101
1101
A.
A in place.
In the both the cases, you will put flow.
Yeah. That's correct. So we are
It will trip the
pump.
pump
It will trip the pump and no treatment and pump damage.
Also close that inlet gate.
Right, pump trip.
Otherwise,
You need to have the alarm.
alarm to certainly is.
Alarm will be there.
Alarm is there.
Yeah.
The pump will run.
So this is correct.
Still 0 on the flow meter. He will
Now after that,
alarm and
pump trip.
Balancing tank should link with balancing tank.
yes.
No, why you are linking balancing? Just
P
close
one
that particular this
Motorized
Penisco because as two tanks are available, that will take care.
It will isolate this stream.
Because it is designed as a N+1, no? So that other two tanks will take care. Okay.
Pump trip alarm. Okay, now this pump on the downstream P1101A. If this trips, do I get alarm in control loop?
Control alarm will be there, and you also this trip and also with trip you close this gate, this authorized gate.
This will trip what?
Trip your just a minute. Trip SC901A.
And trip
SC901A. Close, not trip, close SC910A.
AC